Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we can discuss about how to use canned responses for instant answers. In live chat we have the canned responses, and it is a feature that allows the user to send one-click replies in seconds without having to type a message over and over. And also it can be used to speak directly with the customers in live time. So here in the live chat configuration, we have the canned responses. Here we can see the shortcut of the canned responses and their substitution. So here the shortcut is hello and its substitution is hello, how may I help you? And here we can see the bye and its substitution is thank you for your feedback, goodbye. Likewise, we can create new canned responses. For that, click on the create icon, and here we can provide the shortcut. So here we can enter the nice as a shortcut, and here we can provide the substitution. Now we can save this, and let's check it out how it can be used. For that, we can go to the discuss module, because the canned responses are the shortcuts used in discuss module, and also it is used to engage customers better during an ongoing conversation to deliver a faster and consistent response. So from the direct messages, we can choose the person who we are going to start conversation. So here we can choose mark demo, and now we can use a shortcut. For this, click on the colon. So after clicking the colon, a pop-up window will appear with the canned responses, and here we can start typing. So here can say it automatically. Now we can select this, and here we can send this. Likewise, we can choose many canned responses to have a smooth conversation by saving more productive time and human efforts. So that's all about the video. If you have any doubts regarding this video, please add the comments below. Or if you are interested in knowing more about Odoo implementation and customization, drop your request at odoo@cybrosys.com. So thank you.